Adding bundles. Creating bundles for frequently used CPT codes and diagnosis codes can help with quicker checkout. To create custom bundles that fit your office needs, simply log into Innate in full mode. From here, select the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings window. This will already be selected on codes, and you will see on the far right tab it says Bundles. Once you click Bundles, you will see that there are two tabs, one for procedures and the other for diagnosis and subluxations. We will first start with procedures. Click the small plus sign to add a new bundle. Under Bundle Display, give your bundle a name. Here I will use New Patient Full Spine, meaning I'm adding a new patient exam code and full spine x-rays. Next, where it says Procedure Code 1, use the drop-down to locate the first code you would like to add. Here I will add a new patient code, and then you see a new box appears underneath, and continue adding all additional codes until you have them all added. Once you have all CPT codes added, click the Save button. Now we will move on to diagnosis and subluxations. This will be the same process. Click the plus sign on the top right and name your bundle. For this example, we will use Medicare cervical. And then under diagnosis code dropdown, select the diagnosis code you wish to add. You can add more than one here. And then on the right-hand side, under subluxation code, select the subluxation code you would like to add, and click the Save button. Once all selections have been made, we can exit out of this window, and now we will demonstrate how to use bundles. These can be used in the checkout screen and also when putting in new patient notes. To do so when entering notes, you would simply click the blank space where it says Diagnosis and Subluxation Listing, and a new window will appear. You can see on the left-hand side all of your bundles that are available. You would simply double-click the bundle that you wish to add. So here we'll use the one we just added, Medicare Cervical. Once you double-click that, you see they appear here and here for your diagnosis and subluxations. Hit the Save button in the top right corner. And then from Checkout, you would select the blank space in the top left corner. So here's the same patient. If you were doing this at checkout, this would be blank and it would be the same thing. Once you click it, it brings up that same exact screen with the bundles on the left-hand side. The diagnosis codes must be selected before entering charges. Now we will use the bundles for charges. This makes checkout much faster. Select the Bundles button near the bottom left of the checkout screen. On the left side in the middle, you can see the button that says Autofill Diagnosis Pointers, or you can select them manually from the drop-down. Autofill button will be faster, especially if you have multiple diagnosis codes. Next, locate the bundle you need from the right and double-click. So here we'll use the one we just added, New Patient Full Spine. Once you double-click, all of the codes will appear on the bottom with the diagnosis codes already set to the correct pointers. Then click the large Save button to exit this screen, and you will see all of your charges down below.